ever thought, what occurs to your brain while you are stuck upon with a concept? What extraordinary powers of our mind hidden in the billions of sparking connections? We'll take a look at some extraordinary information which have the energy to change your view of yourself in the identical manner that our minds define who we are. Get prepared and ready to observe through the very end for a surprising twist that can blow your mind. The basics of brain function. Let's find out the features of our brain. Imagine a world where your head is filled with billions of tiny cells called neurons. Think of neurons as tiny electric spark-based messengers that communicate with every single person. This quick connection helps for anything from blinking to figuring out challenging tasks. Now, every time you experience an important life event or learn something new, those neurons begin to connect in new ways. It is like constructing a path in a park. The farther you go on this path, the smoother it becomes. This explains why working in that direction reduces the difficulty of tasks like kicking a football or playing the guitar. Moreover, it isn't always our first priority, but it's also about feelings. Have you ever felt extreme happiness or sadness after watching a movie? That's how your neurons react to emotions and changes your emotions and decision-making, cognitive processes, and thought patterns. I wish to know how the sushi tastes. Take it as common sense. It should be tasty because a lot of people liked it. The way we believe also affects our daily activities. You should try to do new tasks or interacting with new people if you have experienced amazing things. You may feel nervous if you're always worried about what is going to happen. Believing on ourselves can be very beneficial. It can improve our ability to grow fast, rely on ourselves, and control our emotions. The next time you find yourself thinking about anything, try to get aware of mental trick you are using. Influence of thoughts on behavior and emotions. Have you ever observed that how our mind have an impact on our feelings and behaviors? It is like at the same time when your mind prefers to your thoughts to do adjustments with your mood or conduct it. Human thoughts is a great weapon if we use to do good deeds for our world. Consider an everyday day at college. You are more likely to have a contented and lively morning in case you awaken believing that these days goes to be superb. You can experience studying, communicate for your buddies, and smile more whilst you suppose like this. However, you can experience dissatisfied or irritated in case you wake up thinking, today's no longer going to be exceptional. It turns into extra tough to reputation in beauty, or enjoy yourself with buddies as a give-up result. We have certainly effective thoughts. When we do new sports, like presenting in the front of the splendor, they might offer us a sense of bravery. However, if we've horrible thoughts like, I cannot do that, we can also additionally become extraordinarily annoying, or in all likelihood surrender straight away. According to accurate information, we may also try to change our minds as soon as we become aware of their effects on us. Take a look that every idea is a chance to improve it. This may be fun, for example, rather than this may be silly. If we focus on making up with succeed people, we should perform better and have more improvements. We may do better in class and have more fun with our friends if we want to become more popular by changing our mindset. Advanced insights, the frontiers of mind research. As you know, that study on human brain is developing day by day. Researchers are exploring more and more about emotions, thoughts, and behavior as psychology and neuroscience moderned. Expectations and improvements about mental health seem to become true at any point. Furthermore, we might be able to improve even our mental processes. The internal structure of the brain is just one part of the study conducted today. Understanding the deep effect of our thoughts on how society functions and how they go beyond our minds. For example, research on neuroplasticity show that our brain can improve their own neuronal structure according to behaviors and concepts. This shows that our every term and actions have capability to present the way we think. Conclusion. We've been exposed to the most fascinating elements of the mind in today's video, covering everything from the most fundamental aspects of mental faculties to the most extreme modern developments in neuroscience. According to recent research, our thoughts have the capacity to fully change brains. Thanks to this outstanding ability, we may manage our mental health to improve our mental abilities by making wise decisions and working on them in our daily lives. Every new knowledge of the mind that we gain gives us a new way of improving the lifestyle. Being part of this intellectual exploration journey is interesting right now. Keep getting to know and exploring to fulfill your curiosity. Do like and subscribe this video, as the facts it contains will surprise you a lot. Share it with your family members and friends who support your ambition to become more intelligent. For more motion shot, visit our YouTube channel.